Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick. Now, guys, most of you guys know, or you are aware, that we are still in the peak winter season, right? At least we're supposed to be. Here where I'm at, it's probably 60 or 70 degrees. Well, still get cars. My lady friend called me. Her little Avenger or 200. This can go either way, but this diagnostic applied to any freaking car. Okay, any car. It doesn't have to be Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, or Ram. All right, now the complaint is the heat is not as hot as it should be. Okay, let's put it in full heat. Let's turn the AC off. And she's right. Okay, I don't know, man. When it's cold, they really want scorching heat coming out. Now, diagnosing heaters is not difficult. Okay, diagnosing your heater operation not that difficult. At least duplicating it is not simple. You turn it on and see if you're getting hot air coming out of the vents. And from where I sit or stand now, there is not. Now, last time she was in a while back, and my buddy topped off the fluid. Okay, because as you know, low fluid level would cause no heat. The heater core is dependent, guys. It has to be full. It has to be, the cooling system has to be on point. Remember, guys, there's three parts to a heater or AC operation. You have the plumbing side, you have the distribution side, and the controls. Okay, well, the control controls those two sides. So you need to determine if your problem is from a plumbing end, meaning everything outside, or water pump is pushing. Remember, guys, water pump has to be working properly. It is needed to circulate the coolant. That water pump has to pump. It pumps, okay? If the coolant is not circulating throughout the engine as well as the heater core, then your heater will never work. And also keep in mind, your heater has to be, or the cooling system has to be free of air pockets, okay? Remember, guys, air creates space. You don't need space in the cooling system. Okay, so if you determine that the plumbing side is on point, basically, in a nutshell, what I do is grab both heater hoses. If they are extremely hot, then yeah, the plumbing side is doing its job. That's when you come inside to verify if it's a distribution problem. What I mean by distribution, guys, every AC unit gonna have what we call a blend door. Blend door will move based on inputs from the customer or inputs from the driver. Okay, if he want hot, just say if I put this in full hot, right now it's halfway, so that door should be halfway. If I put this in full heat, the door should go full heat, which will allow that hot air to come out of the vents. That's the job of the mold door operation. I got it in face vent right now. So in hot, coming out of vent, I should get extremely hot heat. Okay, remember, we just verified that we haven't, but we just verified the plumbing issue. Okay, so now, but keep in mind, if the plumbing is not running the way it's supposed to, you have to fix that part first. I'm just talking hypotheticals right now. So full cold, that blend door should go full cold. If that blend door is not following instructions, yes, you could have a distribution problem. You may need a blend door actuator, or a blend door itself faulty. All right, but let's do this, guys. I'm gonna take a break. When I get back, we're gonna be outside. We're gonna verify. Let's do some verification. Let's see if the plumbing side on point. So I'm gonna put this on full heat, face, and high. We're gonna go outside and see if my plumbing. Let's check the temperature of the heater hose. All right. Let me take a break. I'll be right back. A little 2.4 dual VVT engine. All right. So, hey, good thing is a 4-cylinder. These heater hoses are easily accessible. Here they are right here. All right, so I have coolant in my reservoir, but that don't mean anything. This is fairly hot. The thermostat open. Remember, guys, thermostat is right here. If it opens up, that hot coolant will come out through here, go back to the radiator, and the vicious cycle starts over again. But for now, let's verify. Inlet is hot. Inlet meaning it's coming from the intake likely. The outlet, oh, it's cooler than the intake, guys. Okay, that could be some form of restriction. All right. Yes, if one is cooler or warmer than the other, you could have a restriction. If they both hot, like I say, you should suspect distribution problems. All right, now I'm gonna try something, guys. I'm gonna try to flush out. I'm gonna take these hoses off and put some solution in there and try to flush and make sure it's not restricted, guys. Come on, I'll take y'all along with me, guys. Let's go over to a water hose. I need a water hose. All right, let's get it. Alrighty, guys, I have the restriction removed. If there was any restriction, there's no longer a restriction in the heater coil. I got it properly bled, no air pockets. Let's see what we got. I'm in full heat. As this car warms up, that heater should get extremely hot. As you can see, we still in the sea a little bit, but it's hot right now, guys. Yes, I want to say this is a successful repair, guys. It's all about restrictions, guys, and it don't take much to restrict a heater coil. Okay, normally I would see a big glob of stuff come out of it when I reverse flush it. Y'all saw how I was reverse flushing it. I was removing my supply water to the opposite side and flush it out that way, both ways, either way, and I was able to remove any kind of particles or restriction that there was. Guys, this heater is scorching hot. That is all I have, guys. This quick way to now keep in mind, this heater coil is easily to get to, or the nipples to the heater coil. Okay, a lot of them are hard to gain access to, so depends on the car you're working on, but this happened to be an easy one. And that is hot. All right, guys, that's all I have. Thanks for watching, man. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.